Good morning, student. Today, that is 22nd of July. Hope everyone fine. Here I explain exercise 5e. See question number first. Find the sum. That is like fraction. So we will add it directly. Here the given fractions are like fractions. So we will add it directly. 5 plus 1 upon 8 is equals to 6 upon 8. 6 upon 8 they will cut by 2, 2 3s are and 4s are. And after that 3 by 4 we have to find our answer. See next number question, that is mixed fractions. So first we have to convert into improper fraction. Here I have to show the improper fraction. When 1 3 by 5 convert into improper, we are getting 8 upon 5, and 2 4 upon 5 convert into improper, 14 upon 5. And then after we added directly 8 plus 14 upon 5 is equals to 22 upon 5. Then after we have to convert into mixed fraction. See next number question. Find the sum 4 upon 15 plus 17 upon 20. They are unlike fractions. So first we have to find the LCM. 15 and 20. Here I have to show the LCM. Here, and what we are getting, the LCM is getting 60. And after that we have to draw the LCM line here 60 and in the numerator side. So firstly 15 will divide it by 16. तो 60 से डिवाइड करेंगे 15 4 ज़ा 60 आएगा and then 4 multiply by 4. So we are seeing 16 is the answer. Plus 20 will divide it by 60. So 20 3s are 60. Then 3 multiply by 17. 17 3s are 51. After that we will add it, that 16 plus 51 is equals to 67 upon 60. And this is the conversion of in mixed fraction. See next solution. Here the question is find the sum. Same concept but only mixed fraction is given. So firstly we have to convert that fraction into improper fraction. Here improper fraction is, see this 27 upon 10 plus 53 upon 15, that is improper fraction. And then after we have to find the LCM of 10 and 15. Here I have to show the LCM. And then after here same concept we are using. 10 से डिवाइड करेंगे 30 को, 3 टाइम्स होगा, then 3 मल्टीप्लाई होगा 27 से, we are getting 81 plus 15 divided by 30, 15 2s are, and then 2 will multiply by 53. So we are getting 106, and after that we add it and then find the answer. See next solution. Here find the sum. Here 3 fractions are there. When 3 plus 1 4 upon 15 plus 1 3 upon 20. So we have to find, firstly we have to convert into improper fraction. Here 3 by 1, 3 by 1 we can write same, and then after 19 upon 15, then 23 upon 20. Now after that we have to find the LCM of 15 and 20. Here I have to show the LCM. Then after same process we use denominator will divide it by LCM, and then what we are getting after division, that will be multiply with numerator. So see that concept, that all the question based on in your previous classes all. See next questions. Here question number 14. 2 1 upon 3 1 1 upon 4 plus 2 5 upon 6 plus 3 7 upon 10 12. So all the mixed fraction firstly we have to convert into improper fraction. Here I have to show improper fraction. 2 1 upon 3, when we change in improper fraction we are getting 7 upon 3. Here 1 1 upon 4 5 by 4, and 2 5 by 6, 17 upon 6, 3 7 upon 12, 43 by 12. And then after that we are find out the LCM of all the denominators. What is the LCM? LCM is 12. Here I have to show the LCM. And then after we have to find the calculation. You can do by yourself, that all the concepts are same. Okay. So we are moving in the next question. Question number 5. Same question. Find the sum. You can use by the first question number 15. Find the sum. So here you have to firstly convert into improper fraction and then take the LCM and then find the answer. Here I have to show the solution. Yes. Move forward in the next questions. Yes, that is the word problem. Rohit bought a pencil for rupees 32 by 5 and an eraser for rupees 27 upon 10. What is the total cost of both articles? Here, as you know student, when we in the statement, when we find the total cost, it means we will plus. The concept we are using plus. So total cost of both article, cost of pencil plus cost of eraser. So what is the cost of pencil? Cost of pencil is 3 2 by 5 and cost of eraser is 2 7 upon 10. You can write in the statement form, that also correct. Okay. And then after that you can solve total cost of both articles. Okay. Next question. Here I have to find the LCM and then 34 plus 27, 10, 61 upon 10 is equals to 6 1 upon 10. Hence the total cost of both article is rupees 6 1 upon 10. That all the concept based on in your previous class beta. I thought you all are understood and very familiar with these questions. Sohini bought 4 1 upon 2 meter of cloth for her kurta and 2 by 3 meter of cloth for her pajama. So how much cloth did, yes, one W is missing. How much cloth did she purchase in all? Here also concept is plus. So total cost, first we write the cloth of kurta and next statement cloth of pajama, and after that we have to find the cloth of purchased by Sohini is equals to B plus that all given two things. 4 1 by 2 plus 2 3 2 upon 3. Here first we convert into improper, 9 upon 2 plus 8 upon 3. And then after we take the LCM, that is the prime numbers, they both are multiply, we are getting 6 is the LCM, and after that we plus 27 plus 16. What is the solution? 43 upon 6 meter. We convert into mixed fraction, 7 1 upon 6 meter. See question number 18. In question number 18 also, while coming back from home from his school, Kishan covered 4 3 by 4 kilometer by rickshaw, 1 upon 2 kilometer on foot. What is the distance of his house from the school? So here first we are writing the statement, distance from Kishan's house to school. So distance covered by him by rickshaw, we are writing first statement, and then distance covered by him on foot. Then after plus together. Here we have to convert into improper and then after find the LCM. Okay. Last question is question number 19. That also this is the question on based on plus. Weight of empty gas cylinder is 16 4 upon 5 kg and it contains 14 2 by 3 kg of gas. What is the weight of the cylinder filled with gas? So here first we are writing the statement and then plus. Here in the statement we are I show the statement directly. You can write separately. Weight of the empty cylinder, first statement, then second weight of the gas inside the cylinder, and then after third statement weight of the cylinder filled with gas. Okay, what you have to easy you can do with like that. And then after we arrange and then convert into improper, then after we find the LCM, and LCM is 3 and 5, that is the prime number, so we can find directly 15 is the LCM. And then we have to show the here addition. What is the total addition? 472 upon 15 kg. So that fraction convert into mixed fraction, we are getting 31 7 upon 15. You also know how to convert into mixed fraction. In previous lecture I have to explain. And after that we are getting final answer. Hence the weight of the cylinder filled with gas is 31 7 upon 15 kg. So that's all for today's. Thank you.